Double Diamond Railroad back. Happy Friday. By the time you see this, and we should have our new number 8 switch in today. UPS about 12:30. That switch right there that I thought was a 6. Didn't catch it. So another one's on the way. We'll get that changed out Saturday, or probably Friday afternoon. So we're just going to mess around. Wife got called into work, so we got some quiet time. We're going to go switch Metalworks, move some cars for them, spot them. Sticky buttons, throttle didn't go. You punch it and you're like, okay, move. Okay, we're very happy, still watching replays about those Ohio State Buckeyes being national champs. Pretty tough game. Credit to Notre Dame, and they fought back hard in the third and part of the fourth. But our guys really wanted it. So many seniors in there. Got 2 championship shirts on the way. Ordered, even got one for my wife, didn't tell her. And I got one for my grandson, shipping it to Tennessee. That'll be his first. That can go along with, he has a red one. These are black with red letters. He'll like that. Oh, a little bit, oh boy, dirt on the corner. Doesn't surprise me, stuff I've been doing down here. Let's pick it up here. Well, I went the wrong way from what I was going to do. So this switchback, I was going to come down the lead, pull up and come down the lead. Forgot about it. It's cold down here, but getting better. We're like 20 degrees now. Better than minus 16 on Tuesday morning. Inch of snow on the ground still. Birds are starving. I don't have any seed. I threw out my last soot cake yesterday. See if they go for that on the ground. It's my finches, the gold ones, and we call them canaries. And the green ones and the purple ones and red ones. They're out there in the trees twice a day coming looking like, why aren't there any seeds in these feeders? So now I'm going to have to get some. I've been avoiding because of bird flu. I'm going to have to put some out there. They're going to starve. Okay, let's go over there. So we're going to, they decided they can't take any more scrap. They need coke. Oh, I almost threw myself off there. We're going to come down and take out the empties. Okay, that should do it. Stand by, let's uncouple. Okay, I said uncouple, but we needed to couple. Very tough there on the corner. I think we have them. Oh, so I did that. Maybe so. Uh-oh. Horn got stuck. We're all messed up. I kind of got some vertigo. Went to bed with it. And kind of woozy down here now. Had to take some more Tylenol for my back, lower back. I didn't get to the chiro because of weather, so now I can't get in until next Tuesday. So I missed maintenance this week. I was supposed to have been there Monday. That'll do. Throw the switch. 3-step. This time we'll remember the direction. Well, he's got dirt on his wheels. It's where the engine's been. Wasn't working over there. Suppose I got dust flying all over from what I was doing. This doesn't look too bad. Stop right there. See what we got. See if we can stretch and get some room to look at it. Nope, nothing. Okay, back up again. Get closer. That's good. Okay, on the ground, 3-step. I'm surprised it coupled so easy. Those couplers, I looked at them, they're body mounted. Couldn't put my Microtrains trucks on with couplers. I would have to cut the coupler box off with like a little snips, sprue cutters, cut it off, take a screw out, take the coupler out, cut the box, and then grind it all down smooth. Then I could put them on. Question is, will the height be correct? So for now, I'm not doing it because I never had any trouble with them before until that one car ahead of it. We'll see how it goes. Got other priorities like that switch replacement. Okay, on the ground, throw that switch. So we're going to back up and spot the 2 loads of scrap and then go put the coke in the barn. Okay, shove them on back. So go ahead and cut these. Okay, let's cut them loose. Okay, it looks good. Let's pull out of here. And that'll do. On the ground, throw a switch. Okay, something on back. Go into the barn. Six miles an hour. They're back off, they'll get upset. Only supposed to be 5 on a customer track, which we're on. Step over here and look in the end of the building. See if we can see it in time. Down to 3, 2. Here he comes. That'll do right there. Good deal. Okay, let's stretch him. Good, right there. Okay, 3-step uncouple at the empty gone. Somehow we got an undersized load back there. There we go. I'm going to throw one more switch. Go back in the yard lead. Take care of that. Let's go right into the yard lead. That's where he needs to go. Okay, here we go. Up on the main, back down the yard lead, back door. Watch them go over the bridge. Always like to see that. Going up to 10. These guys are ready for their lunch break. Okay, let's see. Now they're going to back up, get off the exit to the main, go back straight into the yard partially. Ditch lights off. Just going to kind of overrun the switch here. For now, while they take lunch at Bob's. I don't know if they're on the other side of the creek. They might have to walk into Quick Trip and get their lunch. Which is fine. They got good coffee. Warmer too, instead of standing outside for Bob's. They will stop right there. That'll do. So they're on the bridge. They could walk down the bridge and get over. Cut through the cars or something. Okay, they're done. Now let's see if we can get another rig fired up and pull up to the depot. He's coming through. Stand by. So we'll see if this guy can make it through the crossing. He's not getting much run time. Little local coming through. And his horn works right. So we got some coal, 8 cars of fresh coal, and we got 2 loads of coke on the back. Okay, he'll set up over here. He's going to have to drop off somewhere. I think we might drop him on the main, then the local come out and grab him. I think that's what we'll do. Slow him down, we'll stop right here, clear the switches. That'll do right there. Let's cut those 2 coke cars off. Then the one we just parted come out after lunch, come back out, grab them, stick them in Metalworks after they do their lunch. Stand by, 3 seconds. Okay, they're all clear. He's going to pull up to the depot. They'll get lunch at Waffle House today. They don't get over here much. They'll like that. I'm sure the NS crew likes Waffle House. It's got to spin up. Say hi to the farm people. That'll do. Tire down, boys. You're clear for a while. Can't go anywhere anyway. Got a grain train ahead of you. Go out to the advance first. They're waiting on a crew. So now they can go to Waffle House. Just leave them running right there. Ditch lights off. Headlight off. And it should do it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Not too bad. Have a great week. Hope everybody warms up. We are. Might get some more snow yet today though. Have a great week. What's left. Hopefully next video we'll have that switch replaced. Take care. God bless. Double Diamond Railroad out.